Fox 40 Capitol reporter Eitan Wallace has reaction from both sides of the aisle.
No one's going to be kicked off health care.
Senate Budget Committee Chair Scott Wiener making that promise to California's undocumented population.
Undocumented Californians are part of our community. They pay taxes here, start businesses here. They're our neighbors, and some have been here for decades, and they deserve access to health care.
His remarks coming on the same day the Budget Committee he chairs advanced a budget plan proposed by Democratic legislative leaders in both the Assembly and Senate, a plan that differs in part from Governor Gavin Newsom's budget plan he proposed last month.
We submitted a balanced budget.
His plan received a lot of attention for seeking to pause the state's expansion of Medi-Cal, publicly funded health care, to low-income undocumented people in 2026. Also per his plan, the 1.6 million undocumented Californians already on Medi-Cal will have to pay $100 monthly premiums. At his budget presentation last month, Newsom said his proposals on Medi-Cal were a last resort, but he added he felt he had no choice in order to help close California's projected $12 billion deficit.
Investments that we are making that we simply cannot continue to make.
But the latest plan proposed by legislative Democrats would delay Newsom's proposed Medi-Cal pause for low-income undocumented people until summer 2027. Additionally, the legislative Democrats' plan would reduce Newsom's proposed monthly premiums for undocumented people already on Medi-Cal from $100 per month to $30 per month.
We are not disenrolling anyone from Medi-Cal. That was a promise that California made, and that is a promise that we have kept within the constraints of our current realities.
Republicans, though, expressing concerns about the costs.
We are spending and looking at spending $10 to $12 billion on health care for citizens from other countries. We have to figure out how to make that work better, because we can't just, this is the second runaway train we have. We have our high-speed rail, but now we have this too. It just keeps going up.
But as the state faces a budget shortfall, some Democrats say they want to increase taxes on large corporations, a move they say will prevent future cuts.
I think we need to really tax the top 1% and not look to attack our most vulnerable.
If we are going to have corporations going to the federal government to get huge tax breaks, then we need to start having a conversation about taxing corporations at the state level.
That's not really going to be a viable solution. Clearly, it is a spending problem.
And to be clear, that conversation about a possible tax increase is just that, a conversation. As of now, it's not part of any formal proposal going before the legislature. Meantime, the governor and the legislature have until June 15th to pass and sign a balanced budget. Reporting at the state capitol, covering local news that matters, Eitan Wallace, Fox 40 News.